Our topic is personality types understanding the human mind. What if your personality is not who you are, but who you learn to survive as? Personality is the enduring pattern of how we think, feel, behave, and relate to the world. Psychology describes it through the five factor model: openness, curiosity, imagination, cognitive flexibility; conscientiousness, discipline, structure, impulse, regulation; extraversion, energy from social engagement, assertiveness, reward drive; agreeableness, empathy, cooperation, relational warmth; neuroticism, emotional reactivity, stress sensitivity, vulnerability to anxiety. These are not boxes, they are dimensions existing on a spectrum. Each of us carries a unique psychological architecture. But clinically, personality becomes a disorder when traits are rigid, pervasive, and maladaptive, when they impair functioning, disrupt relationships, or cause persistent distress. We then see patterns such as narcissistic personality, grandiosity, admiration seeking, unstable self esteem; borderline personality, affective instability, abandonment fear, identity disturbance; antisocial personality, impulsivity, rule violation, diminished remorse; obsessive compulsive personality, perfectionism, control, cognitive rigidity; avoidance personality, social inhibition, hypersensitivity to rejection; dependent personality, excessive reliance, difficulty with autonomous decisions. Diagnosis is not about differences, it's about dysfunction, distress, and duration. Now, the deeper truth: personality is not a prison, it's a pattern, and patterns can evolve. When reactions stay unconscious, life becomes repetitive. But when awareness increases, impulse becomes choice, emotion becomes data, behavior becomes intentional. You are not your traits, you are the awareness of observing them. Evolution today is psychological, and true transformation is not changing your personality, it is upgrading your level of consciousness. Because the moment you become aware of your patterns, you stop being controlled by it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.